is all about celebrating childhood with vibrant Indian inspired designs. Think about bright colors, playful designs, and cultural roots all for our little ones. The brief was simple yet exciting. It was to create a visual identity for Chumuk, an Indian kids ethnic wear brand for children aged 0 to 12 years. The goal was to make it fun, colorful, and undeniably Indian. So I started noting down the keywords. The keywords were colorful, Indian, handcrafted, and vibrant. The next step was to find inspiration based on these keywords to set the mood and make the mood board. A mood board specifies the design direction chosen for a brand in terms of colors, typography, and design style. For Chumuk, I'm going with handwritten typography to depict the handcrafted products of Chumuk. Illustrations inspired by nature, a vibrant color palette, and a few product visuals and packaging design inspiration. For the logo, a wordmark logo will go really well with this brand to establish a strong, memorable visual identity. So I started looking for fonts that are quirky, fun, and bold, and which matches the vibe of Chumuk. So after looking for multiple fonts, I shortlisted a few of these. From these, I'm going ahead with this one because it's bold, it's quirky, and I can customize it further. I do not like the K, so it was time to do some research. I looked up for Indian designs and saw this curve paisley thing quite common. It was there in Indian patterns, designs, architecture, embroidery on clothes, and many more things. One more thing that stood out in designs were the elephants. Elephants were strongly visible in Indian designs. They were vibrant, colorful, and playful, all matching Chumuk's keywords. So I decided to do a quick Google search, understanding what do they actually symbolize in Indian culture. On doing the search, I understood that they symbolize divinity, royalty, and good luck. So I decided to use the curve from elephant's trunk and paisley, bringing together the final logo. After the logo was done, I experimented with multiple colors to choose a color palette. Finally decided on this with a mix of pinks and blues and yellows. Also completed the brand motif with playful elements like leaves, flowers, birds, and the elephant. These are the fonts that I chose, with Marigny being the primary font for handcrafted feel. I also put together a brand presentation with all the details of the project and the visual identity created, right from the mood board to design thinking behind the logo and where the primary logo is to be used and where the secondary logo is to be used. Colors chosen and the significance behind them, the typefaces chosen. Also made a bunch of mock-ups to visualize how the brand would look in real life. And this is the final result.